What up, everybody? Today we got a sick cop. So excited for this unboxing try-on video. Stüssy and Nike collab. So I got this same collab before. I was trying to get the highs, but I was too broke and too slow. So couldn't get the highs, but I got the slides. That's cool. But I'm really into hemp and everything. I got the full hemp fit on right now. I mean, the hat's not hemp because like fuck Nike. But hemp shirt, hemp pants, you know, Patagonia got that good hemp line. Love the Patagonia hemp line. You guys should definitely check that out. Really recommend Patagonia. But so yeah, I really like the hemp stuff. So I paid like big. I missed the hemp Air Force One Low Stüssy drop, but I got the resale for it, like $500 or something fucking ridiculous. But I got it, and I didn't want to do that again for for this. But I missed the mids anyways. But I got the slides, so that's kind of cool. And I thought like even if I'm like they're expensive, but it's like whatever. Even if I end up, oh no, I cut this. I'm an idiot, bro. God damn it, I even was thinking, because I saw it sticking out, I was thinking not to cut it. Even if I beat them up and stuff, I'm going to, like, dye them and stuff and customize them. But they sent me a sick sticker, Stüssy designed. 2021 design product. Damn, these are supposed to release last year. I accidentally, sliced it a little bit. I cut it, you can probably see that. And you can see in the preview in the end, I'll do the flashlight on it. I can't really do a close-up, because if you didn't see my last video about Apple, yeah, it's kind of fucked me over for my videos. Can't do the nice close-ups with the macro camera. The macro camera's glitched as fuck. Fuck Apple, you know. Corporations suck. Anyways, yeah, that's a sick sticker. I really love that. And then, bam! We open this box up here. What do we have in here, Maya? We got a receipt from Stüssy. Yeah, Stüssy. And we got bubble wrap. Ooh, and we got a nice slide box. I thought it was the full box, like the Air Force Ones, but still, it's that nice off-white color with the red. I'll still put this on display. This is so nice. And oh yeah, I did actually get a size 11. I thought I got a size 10, but I'm glad I sized up because I like my slides to fit big. So we got that as well. And yeah, they gave me a sticker. That's awesome. Thanks, Stüssy. Tossing in the sticker. I love stickers. For my collection, put them on stuff, my phone or something. Okay, so yeah, we got that classic off-white box that comes with the hemp products. I don't know if it comes with like all the different products, but it definitely comes with their like the Stüssy Nike hemp products. So this is Fossil Stone colorway, Fossil Stone, Benassi, Stüssy, because it's a Benassi slide. It was like $80 retail, I think, which is fucking crazy. The slides are like normally like $20 if you get them on sale. They're like $30 retail. And then so it's like extra like $40 for that hemp, you know, and that name brand. So you got a low Nike right there. You can see the tag on there, very nice. Big Nike, Stüssy, small Nike, the classic Nike, trademarking all over the bottom. Mine, you got slobber all over me. Box made in China, products made in Indonesia, color code 200, Fossil Stone, size 11, size 12, women's. Right, Maya? Yes, are you excited? Okay, let's open this up and see how they look. I'm so excited. Oh no, I don't want to break it. I'm already like denting it. These slide boxes are always so annoying to open. And bam! I get that nice Stüssy Nike paper. It was the same in the Air Force also, the Air Force box. Maybe I'll probably show you guys that eventually. And then I get a Stüssy Nike hanger. That's so nice, so I can actually hang them up. 90% recycled content, printed with soy inks. That's awesome. Very, very cool. I'll probably hang them up and then even like keep the box for display or something. I really just love decorating. I'm big into decorating and just like making sure to use like all the different, using like, not letting anything go to waste and like using it even if like, just finding a use for it, you know, that's what I'm trying to say. So I find a use for it through decorating a lot of the time, no matter what it is. I'm big into collecting and decorating. Not hoarding. Okay, so the shoe, we got the left one here. Stitching looks nice, no fraying. It's a little fuzzy because you know it's that natural textile, that hemp. And then you got a nice, just a nice like kind of textile inside, a little bit more softer. So they probably used a little bit more different mixture in that. But it's very like ruggedy and like hemp on the top, but with hemp, it's the most durable fiber in the world. I freaking love hemp. I'm gonna make so many videos on hemp. I'm gonna make a company on hemp. I love hemp. One of the most durable fibers in the world. Gets more softer over time. The more you wash it, the more you use it. So it's amazing. These will last me the rest of my life. Besides the bottom of them, this top will last me the rest of my life. That's why I want to dye it and stuff too. And then you got that Stüssy embroidering in that hemp colorway, and then the hemp colorway Benassi. Fuck the Benassi, I don't really care. It's actually it's a nicer shaped one, and it's got like some extra grips on the side, some extra waffle grips along, and it's got a bigger toe toe area. So it's actually a nicer sole than the regular Benassis. Now I'm super excited to try them on. So yeah, let's do it. I'll leave the tag on for now. I'm not gonna cut it off right away. I'm not a wild man like that. And the 11 literally fits perfect. I'm so glad I didn't go for a 10 because it literally slides on perfect. It's actually like snug. And then there's just a little bit of sliding room for like walking around and stuff, just so my toes and heels aren't pouring over the edge. My regular Benassis are size 12, and I even like them, not for like walking around, but for just like casual wear. My regular Benassis are actually fire, not gonna lie. Or, I mean, for like, yeah, for casual wear, just like sliding them on. That's why I really recommend just getting an oversized fit for these. And, yeah.
It's us. It's us. It's us.